Today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows keyboard language switching automatically. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you're facing the issue that your keyboard language is switching automatically. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to simply go to your search button here and just go to settings. Now once you are in settings, you just have to select this time and language option here, click on it, then click on language and region. Now once you are here, you can try to delete your unnecessary language layout. Like if you are not using any keyboard layout from here, well, let's say I'm going to delete this one, just click on these three dots and click on remove, then click yes, and your layout will be removed. Now you can do the same thing if you have any other issue from here or any other unnecessary keyboard layouts. You can try to delete them from here, then just go to typing. Now once you are in typing, you just have to scroll down and just go to advanced keyboard settings, and here click on language bar options. Now once you are here, click on advanced key settings, and here just select change key sequence, click OK. Now once you have done, you just have to select anyone from here. Let's say I want to select this one. There's a keyboard language, click change key sequence again, and you have to make sure that you have selected both on unselected like this, 0 selected, and from here you have to select any single option like this, control I have selected. You can also disable this toggle to disable your key sequence, then click OK, then click apply, and then OK again. Now after doing this all, you just have to make a restart to your PC, and after making a restart, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.